Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I will walk you through our Real Estate OS Snapshot for GHL. If you have ever built a real estate CRM from scratch, you know how much time it takes to create funnels, pipelines, automations, tags, and follow-up sequences. That's exactly why we built this snapshot. Instead of spending days setting up everything, you can simply import it into your GHL account and customize it with your own branding. So let's just jump on it. We'll be starting with the funnel section. So in this snapshot, you will be getting is 5 funnels ready to publish on your domains. The first funnel will be the buyer funnel. It looks like it's already pre-made for you, and it does have the form that you need to get information from your clients or any customers that visit your funnel. It does list few dummy properties. Also, it does have the acquisition process and why chooses for sections. You can absolutely add your FAQs, and a subscription form will be available at the bottom of the funnel. Every funnel that we have built, it's absolutely customizable from the GHL itself, and you will be directly able to customize them. So the next will be our contact us funnel. It is quite simple and a small one with the basic information from your clients, your business information, where with that you can just add your information about why contact your team and how the process will be done. So the next will be the tenant, so a rental one. Here we have added a more detailed form which will be filled in by the clients, and the next will be the available rental homes. You can absolutely make this dynamic. Currently, it's taking up the information basically from our stored data, and there's no dynamic things currently running on the funnels. So let's carry on further with the next funnel, which will be your selling funnel. Like the sellers who are willing to sell their property, they can fill in this form and get enrolled with the funnel flow with GoHighLevel. And if you just scroll right through it, the FAQ and everything is also available on this funnel page as well. Last will be the valuation funnel. So if any customer like to just get valuated from you, like take out their valuation for their home or any property, they can fill in this form and just scroll right through it. You will also see the buyer demands and everything, the valuation process, how it works for you, and by choosers and FAQ section as well. So as we have gone through them, you will be getting these 5 funnels. Everything will be available with one step form, and your customers will be directly created as a lead into your contact for GoHighLevel. Carrying on further with the opportunities. Instead of putting every lead into one pipeline, we have already separated everything for you. So we do have the marketing pipeline, buyer pipeline, a seller pipeline, rental pipeline, and property valuation, also the seller pipeline new. So what you will be getting on this snapshot will be the 5 pipelines that are listed here: marketing, buyer, seller, rental, and property valuation. And each pipeline is well connected, and everything will be available for you in details. So each pipeline does have its own structure, and we are not using the simple structure from GHL itself. The lead will be coming in, the contacted, the qualified, the proposal sent, negotiations, and close. So everything will be available with each pipeline. It's from the marketing pipeline. The next will be the buyer pipeline. So you will be able to go through the new buyer lead, contact attempted, connected, then qualified buyer, or if there is any appointment booking, and property sent with viewing is booking for the client, and if we have won or lost, or if the contact is gone into no reply, the contact usually go into no reply after the contact attempted. So if any client is not coming up back from the replies, then there will be nurturing flow. We will be covering in the further automation flow. So carrying on further, we do have the contact tags. We have pre-built 15 tags that are allocated to your clients and contacts that will be coming through and processing through the automation flow for GHL. So each tag is detailedly covered, so you will be absolutely able to understand if the client is under appointment booking or there's a new buyer lead or contact attempted or the client is lost or everything. So every basic thing that you need for your understanding or analysis, you will be getting with this contact tags on the contact form. So the next will be the workflows, and we have created a folder with multiple workflows where we do have the appointment reminder workflow, the buyer stage, contact update workflow, the follow-ups, rental stage change, or even seller stage, and sale opportunity alerts or valuation stage alerts. The real estate OS new lead intake, it will be the main workflow that you will be working with, the GHL will be working with. It's the main input from every form that we are using, like from the funnel. All the funnel pages are responding to this intake route, and then it's divided into accordingly funnel. Like if the form is filled for the buyer funnel, then it will be redirected accordingly to the buyer flow, and the integration is truly done for every nurturing to their last stage. So you will be getting a through automation throughout this process, and all the steps that require agent involvement, like if there is an appointment booking, then the appointment will be done from the automation, but the stage will not be moved to any next sta opportunity stage, as it requires validation from the agents from your company to validate if the appointment was successful or if the client visited or not. So everything accordingly will be moved by your agents managing the workflow. So they will be absolutely able to move the client into next stages according to the interaction with client. Carrying on further, we do have the email marketing systems that are enrolled in every stage of the funnel, so or every stage of the workflow automations. So we have pre-validated emails that will be working and that will be sent out to customers and clients according to their stage on the opportunities. So we do have the buyer viewing booked, seller stage, valuation stage, and seller no response follow-up emails that will be sent frequently while the client doesn't respond. So as accordingly, we do have the SMS snippets pre-built. So even if you are using email and SMS both, the both connection methods will be initiated. As for our workflows, we have critically make sure that every client or every interaction is done two ways. So every notification that goes to client from your GoHighLevel account, it will be an email and an SMS. So if you do have an SMS connection validated with GHL account, like you have number purchased and verified and everything is working correctly for your phone numbers, then the client will be receiving SMS as well. So there's no any additional extra setup that you will be requiring. So basically, in this total workflow that we do have, we have covered file lead generation funnels, multiple opportunity pipelines, pre-built contact tags, automated workflows, new lead routing, appointment reminders, follow-up sequences for email and SMS as well, stall opportunity alerts, and pre-configured SMS and email templates that you can absolutely use it under your needs. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and do add comments or uh, get in touch with our company contacts. Thank you.